The wait is finally over. The moment you've been anticipating has arrived. Google Veo 3 is here, ready to redefine the landscape of video creation. And it's a total game changer for creators, offering unprecedented power and flexibility. This is more than just an upgrade. It's a paradigm shift. This isn't just an update. It's a complete overhaul of how we approach video production. It's a revolution in AI video generation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. Imagine having a Hollywood-level production studio right on your computer, accessible at your fingertips, ready to turn your wildest ideas, the ones you thought were impossible, into cinematic videos in seconds. Experience the magic of instant creation, transforming concepts into captivating visuals. Veo 3 makes high-quality video creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or skill level. No expensive gear or film degree required. Forget about costly equipment rentals and years of training. All you need is an idea, a spark of inspiration to ignite your creative fire. And Veo 3 brings it to life with stunning results, exceeding your expectations with every render. The creative community is buzzing with excitement, sharing their creations and inspiring others. Social feeds are packed with jaw-dropping experiments and tutorials, showcasing the endless possibilities of Veo 3. It feels like we've all unlocked a new superpower, gaining the ability to manifest our visions with ease. Picture visualizing a dream, a fantastical world born from your imagination. Making a music video, bringing your favorite song to life with stunning visuals. Or crafting a sci-fi short, exploring futuristic landscapes and captivating narratives. All before your morning coffee, imagine accomplishing all of this before you even start your day. Veo 3 empowers you to be more ambitious and experimental, pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Producing content at speeds we couldn't imagine a year ago, accelerating your workflow and maximizing your output. This guide is your walkthrough, your comprehensive resource for mastering Veo 3. We'll cover features, exploring the powerful tools and functionalities that Veo 3 has to offer. Free access, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to experience the magic of Veo 3. Prompt crafting, learning how to effectively communicate your vision to the AI. Responsible use, understanding the ethical implications of AI and using it for good. And even monetization, exploring the potential to generate revenue from your Veo 3 creations. Get ready, prepare to embark on an extraordinary creative adventure. Your creative journey is about to level up, reaching new heights of innovation and expression. Let's dive in and see what Veo 3 can do for you, unlocking your creative potential and transforming your ideas into reality. Whether you're a filmmaker, a seasoned professional looking for new tools, or just starting on TikTok, eager to explore the world of video creation, this tool is for you, designed to empower creators of all backgrounds and skill levels. The only limit now is your imagination, so let your creativity run wild and explore the endless possibilities of Veo 3. Let's get started. Your journey to becoming a video creation master begins now. Let's break down what makes Veo 3 so powerful, the magic trio of features. First, cinematic 4K video. Veo 3 generates ultra-high-definition clips with breathtaking detail, from dragon scales to city lights. Your videos look polished and professional, no fancy camera needed. Second, synced audio. Veo 3 creates perfectly matched sound for every scene. Waves crash, cities buzz, dialogue and music flow seamlessly. No more silent clips or endless searching for the right soundtrack. Third, real-time rendering. Watch your video evolve as you tweak prompts. Add a deer, change the weather, see instant results. It's like sculpting with video, making the creative process dynamic and intuitive. Combine these: 4K visuals, immersive audio, and interactive editing. You can make anything from quick memes to complex short films. Veo 3 isn't just an upgrade. It's a leap into the future of video creation. Google pushed boundaries on every front, making this tool feel years ahead. The result? Unmatched quality, speed, and creative freedom. Whether you're making content for social media or a narrative film, Veo 3 adapts to your vision. It's the most versatile AI video tool out there. Let's see how you can use it. When you start a new project and dive into the world of video creation, you'll immediately see two distinct options presented to you, each designed to cater to different stages of your creative process. Fast mode and the powerful turbo mode. Fast mode is like having your own digital creative sketchbook. It allows you to generate previews in mere seconds, making it absolutely perfect for brainstorming sessions and engaging in rapid prototyping of your video ideas. You can test multiple ideas quickly and efficiently, quickly see what resonates and works best, and iterate on your concepts without waiting extensively for those time-consuming full renders. The preview quality remains surprisingly solid, making it ideal for creating drafts and for in-depth concept exploration. Turbo mode, on the other hand, is reserved for the final cut, specifically when you've confidently nailed your core idea and are ready to go all in. That's when you switch to turbo. This unlocks full 4K resolution, allowing for incredibly rich textures and the highest fidelity audio your project deserves. It's true, processing does take a bit longer in this mode, but the resulting cinematic quality is undoubtedly worth the wait. Use fast mode to freely experiment, try out different text prompts, explore various camera angles, or completely different styles altogether. Then, once you're genuinely happy with your direction, hit that turbo button to bring your creative vision to life in absolutely stunning detail. As a practical example, you could sketch out the basic framework of a sci-fi scene using fast mode and then render the absolute perfect polished version in turbo mode, complete with all the bells and whistles that make it truly shine. Think of fast mode as your idea discovery engine. Turbo mode is what you use for sharing those fully formed ideas with the world. This streamlined workflow ultimately saves you valuable time and allows you to maintain a laser-like focus on creativity itself, rather than being bogged down by excessive waiting times. Both modes are absolutely essential tools in your creative arsenal. Use them in conjunction with each other to achieve the absolute best possible results. Veo 3 intelligently adapts to your unique creative process, whether you're focused on making quick, engaging clips or crafting meticulously polished films. Simply choose the mode that best fits your current stage of creation and production. That's precisely how you get the absolute most out of the powerful Veo 3 platform. Here's how to access Veo 3 for free Google Cloud credits. New users can sign up for a Google Cloud free trial, usually with $300 in credits. These credits cover the computing power needed to run Veo 3, so you can experiment without spending a dime. Just create a Google Cloud account. Verify with a credit card. No charges if you stay within credits and you're in Head to the AI and Machine Learning section, find VideoX Studio, and start using Veo 3. The interface is user-friendly, and you'll see exactly how your credits are being used. Turbo mode uses more credits, but $300 is plenty for hours of high-quality video. When credits run out, you can add funds or simply stop, no obligation. This is your chance to build a portfolio or launch a project with zero upfront cost. Don't miss out, claim your credits and start creating. Let's move on to mastering prompts. Access is just the start. It's the gateway to a universe of visual possibilities. Getting Veo 3 to create exactly what you imagine, to bring your visions to life with stunning clarity and precision, is all about the prompt. It's the key, the secret ingredient, the magic spell that unlocks the AI's creative potential. Be specific and descriptive. Paint a picture with your words, like a film director, envisioning every detail, guiding the scene with intention and purpose. Don't just say, a car. That's too vague, too generic. Say, a cherry red 1967 convertible. Give it character. Give it history, on a coastal highway at sunset, bathed in golden light, cinematic shot. Add that final touch, that professional polish. The more details, the better. Every adjective, every nuance, every carefully chosen word helps Veo 3 understand your vision. Subject, action, setting, the core elements of any great scene, lighting, camera style, all these factors contribute to the final result. The better the result. The more you put in, the more you get out. For fantasy, try Conjuring Worlds Beyond Imagination, a massive obsidian dragon, scales shimmering in the light, with glowing purple eyes, piercing the darkness, soaring through a stormy sky, battling the elements, lightning in the background, illuminating its majestic form, hyper-realistic, 4K. Bring it to life with stunning realism. Guide the AI, be its creative compass, with clear, vivid instructions. Make your intentions known. Use stylistic keywords. They're shortcuts to specific aesthetics, cinematic, anime. Each word evokes a distinct visual style. Vaporwave, documentary, etc. Explore the possibilities. Specify camera shots. Control the perspective, wide, close-up. Each shot tells a different story. Drone, handheld. Experiment with different techniques. Don't be afraid to iterate. Refine your prompts, adjust your settings. Use fast mode for quick previews and adjustments, to tweak and refine, to sculpt your vision into reality until it's perfect. Don't settle for anything less. Example, a glimpse into the power of descriptive prompts. A cozy, dimly lit coffee shop, warm and inviting on a rainy night, the city lights blurred outside, person by the window, lost in thought, steam rising from mug, swirling gently, neon reflections outside, painting the wet streets with vibrant colors, lo-fi aesthetic, adding a touch of nostalgia, close-up on mug. Every detail matters. This sets the mood, establishes the atmosphere, lighting, action, and style. It all comes together. Mastering prompts is an art, a skill that grows with practice, and experiment. Push the boundaries of what's possible to unlock Veo 3's full potential. Unleash your creativity. Think of it as creative collaboration, a partnership between you and the AI, a synergy of human imagination and artificial intelligence. The more you practice, the more you refine your skills, the more control you'll have. Command the AI with confidence. Use prompts to shape, to mold, to create worlds, moods, and stories. Tell your story, your way. Your words are your camera, your lens, your brush. Direct boldly. Take charge of your creative destiny. Let's see how creators are using these skills, these techniques to go viral, to capture the world's attention. Veo 3 is fueling a wave of viral, impossible videos. Think jellyfish floating over New York, or a cat playing piano in a mansion. These surreal, eye-catching clips are perfect for TikTok and Instagram, grabbing attention instantly. Musicians are making pro-level music videos on zero budgets, matching visuals to their songs for a strong online presence. Meme creators and storytellers are animating internet culture in hilarious, shareable ways. The key: lean into Veo 3's strengths, make content that's visually stunning, emotionally resonant, or just plain weird. Don't just copy reality, bend it. The most successful creators use Veo 3 as a partner, combining human creativity with AI's limitless power. The result: content that feels fresh, exciting, and unlike anything before. With great power comes responsibility. Veo 3 can be misused for deepfakes and misinformation. Realistic AI videos could create fake news or harmful content, so ethical use is crucial. Google built-in safeguards. Every Veo 3 video has an invisible synthed watermark, making AI content traceable. Strict filters block violent, hateful, or explicit material, and public figure prompts are restricted. As creators, we must be transparent. Use hashtags like #MadeWithVeo and never pass off AI content as real footage. This builds trust and keeps the creative ecosystem healthy. We're setting the standards for future generations of creators. Use Veo 3 to inspire, not deceive. Champion creativity and honesty. Let's lead by example as this technology evolves. Ready to turn your Veo 3 skills into income? There are more ways than ever. Offer your services as an AI video specialist on freelance sites. Create ads, music videos, or explainer clips for clients. Sell digital products. Generate unique stock footage packs for streamers, editors, or artists. Build a following on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram with consistent, eye-catching AI content. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merch. Brands love innovative creators. Always disclose your content is AI-generated to maintain trust. Stand out by infusing your unique vision. Combine Veo 3 with your own editing, music, and storytelling. The most successful creators use Veo 3 as a tool for their artistic voice, not just a prompt machine. Your creativity is the real value. Veo 3 just amplifies it. Let's look at what's next for this technology. A Veo 3 is just the beginning. Imagine what Veo 4 could bring. Expect persistent character models for consistent storytelling in longer videos. Deeper interactivity. Move elements in real time, direct camera paths, and adjust lighting on the fly. Fully controllable AI dialogue and music. Type lines, choose voices, and generate custom scores. Seamless integration with real footage. Upload your own videos, transform backgrounds, or turn friends into superheroes. Video-to-video editing will blend real and AI worlds for limitless creative effects. The future is a fully immersive, tactile, creative environment. Veo 4 could be an all-in-one production suite from script to final cut. The possibilities are endless, and we're just getting started. Let's wrap up with your next steps. That's your deep dive into Google Veo 3. Features, access, prompts, viral content, risks, and monetization. This isn't just software, it's a creative revolution. You can be a filmmaker, animator, or storyteller. The only limit is your imagination. Move forward with transparency and integrity. Use Veo 3 to inspire, not mislead. Start monetizing your creations, build your brand, and join the new wave of digital creators. Don't wait. Get your Google Cloud credits, jump into VideoFX Studio, and start experimenting. Try wild prompts, recreate movie scenes, or invent something totally new. Share your work, connect with other creators, and help shape this community. Your stories and vision matter. This is just the beginning. Keep learning, keep creating, and have fun with it. The future of video is here, more accessible and powerful than ever. I can't wait to see what you create. Be bold, be responsible, and stay tuned for what's next. The adventure starts now.